So here we are with the PE Ranger. It was Practical Electronics magazine. In fact, that's a magazine the radio is stood on, which was in 1981. It's a magazine project. It became available as a kit of parts. It's a 6-channel half-watt CB, and it also was available as a commercially built version, which is what this is. And this is one I bought off eBay. The idea was it's transportable. It has a battery pack which is only 250 milliamp hour, has the charger built into it, and at the moment we're running it from a power supply. It was available with you could build or buy a 4-watt base station adapter which had a preamp, and so it made it a bit better for base station use. It's a single conversion receiver, and if you've been watching our tune-up, I've only managed to get 330 milliwatts out of the transmitter, and that's because it's got the later type of filter, and the receive does about 1.2 microvolts, which by dual conversion standards isn't that brilliant. Now hopefully Chippy's at the end of this, and there's a squelch with a preset there. Tango 21 Mr Chippie, do you copy?
Roger, Tango 21, I'm just at the end of the line.
Roger on that. So we're on our usual test. He's going to go 6 miles, and let's see how much 330 milliwatts manages to get us on the base station aerial. And this is a single story building, and the aerial is only at gutter height. So it's an 18-foot Antron 99 type of thing, but it's only at gutter height. So I'll keep in close contact because it's only 330 milliwatts, Chippy.
Yeah, Roger. Just turn on to the A153 Willoughby Road.
Right, Roger on that. Got you there. So it's half a mile away now.
Happening Ancaster service station.
Tango 21 receiving you at Ancaster service station.
Roger, you're already getting a little noisy on me.
Well, this is the problem, isn't it? It's only like low power on a normal set. Well, he's going to climb up the hill, hopefully, and
Just at Ancaster Crossroads.
Tango 21 got you at Ancaster Crossroads. Do you still receive me? No doubt you've got to adjust your squelch.
Yes, it's pretty good actually. I think it may be the garage that's causing it.
Roger on that. So he's now a mile away, and his next call will be from the quarry at the top of the hill, so he'll be 1.5 miles, 1.75 miles away then.
Passing the quarry as we go up the hill.
Tango 21 receiving you at the quarry. Were you able to receive that, Chippy?
Yeah, roger that.
So that's 1.5 miles on 330 milliwatts.
Right, just on to the top of the hill before we go down to Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill before you go into Wilsford.
Any nice and clear surprise.
Roger. He's going to drop right down the hill where most 4-watt radios can struggle, especially the newer ones.
About halfway down the hill as we go towards Wilford.
Got you halfway down the hill. So that's 2 miles away. I've got you at Scratchy Corner, just going towards the railway line. Over.
Yeah, roger that. Very noisy, but very legible even so.
Roger. Well, that's 2.5 miles away now. He's right at the bottom of the hill.
Passing the barn that's clearly being rebuilt.
Roger, got you at the barn that's being rebuilt. Thank you. So that makes him about 3 miles away.
Past the plastic pig, not seen one of them in years.
Well, I'm not sure you want to, do you? They're difficult to SWR. Roger, got you at the Wilsford level crossing railway line. Thank you, Roger. So it's about 3¼ to 3½ miles away now. We've had some of the new sets not work this well. Got you at the turning for Rorsby and Kelby. I just had to switch the squelch out there. Roger. So that was 4 miles away. And remember, this is a difficult test route, which is why we use it. Roger, I've got you at the Greyleys crossing. Do you still read me over? Roger, that's great. Roger, I just keep fiddling with the squelch, but I'm getting you. You're at the level crossing at Rorsby, and that concludes our test route. Are you still reading me over? Right, so you've got to the garage. Well, I'll give you the 1010. Thank you for the test, and I'll catch you on the internet when you get back home. Tango 21 out. Well, we got all 6 miles on a 1/2 watt radio, which was doing 330 milliwatts. And although on those last 2 miles I was having to defeat the squelch, it was still chopping in and out. It was still readable, and that's actually worked better than some of the newer sets, which have got the receivers desensitized by the amount of CPU noise. All those clever features cause the receiver to have problems with. So there you have it, the 1981 commercially built Practical Electronics Ranger 2, and 6 channels, 1/2 watt. Thank you for watching.